I will teach how to update your Roblox Studio in case it's outdated. The process is really easy and usually only takes a few seconds. First, go ahead and open Roblox Studio on your computer. After the editor loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, around this area where my mouse is pointing. Whenever a new version of Roblox Studio is available, you'll normally see an update button appear there automatically. Right now, nothing is showing up on my screen, and that means my Roblox Studio is already fully updated. Since I updated it recently, there aren't any new updates available at the moment. If your Roblox Studio does need an update, though, you'll see a message or button asking you to update the application. In that case, all you need to do is click the Update button and wait a moment. Roblox Studio will download the newest version, close itself if necessary, and then restart automatically once the installation is complete. After it reopens, your Roblox Studio will already be running the latest version, so you can continue building, scripting, and testing your games without any problems. You can also open the Microsoft Store on your PC and manually check for updates there if you want to make sure everything is fully updated. In some cases, that can help if Roblox Studio isn't updating automatically. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If this helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.